Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure pre-approval tools on Citi and Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. To configure pre-approval tools on Citi, start by visiting the Citi website. Log into your Citi account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the register option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards section. Look for the tools option, which usually appears in the menu. Click on Check for pre-approval to see available offers based on your credit profile. Fill in any required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Submit the form to receive a list of pre-approved offers. Review the options carefully to understand the terms and conditions. Once you find a suitable offer, click on Apply Now and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, let's move on to Capital One. Start by visiting the Capital One website. Log into your account with your credentials. If you're not a member, select the Join option to create your account. Locate the credit cards section in the main menu. Click on Check for pre-qualifying offers. You may be prompted to enter your personal information for the pre-qualification process. Complete the form and submit it to see available offers. Review the pre-qualification results to identify suitable credit card options. Select an offer that meets your needs and click on Apply Now. Follow the prompts to complete your application with required information. After submitting, monitor your email or account for the application status. Both Citi and Capital One will provide updates regarding your pre-approval and application process. Ensure you check your credit score and review your financial situation before applying. This will help you choose the best credit card options for your needs. Now you are equipped with the steps to configure pre-approval tools on both Citi and Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.